Brand Launch built the go-to-market plan. Now BrandRadar keeps you informed. Competitor moves, market trends, and strategic recommendations, updated daily by AI. The dashboard. Brand health score of 69, rated good. 5 competitors tracked, 5 insights, 5 alerts, 5 recommended actions. The trend will show how your score evolves over time. Because this is the first time we're launching BrandRadar, there's only one score and no trend yet. Priority insights with recommended actions. Each one is specific to your brand. Provenance storytelling, science-backed positioning, boldness in brand expression. Toggle weekly reports on, but we'll come back to email reports in a moment. First, let's check the competition. 5 competitors tracked. Threat levels from 55 to 62%. Recent changes, acquisitions, leadership shifts, new product launches, all flagged automatically. The activity feed catches what you'd miss. Strategic investments, market expansion, messaging pivots, all sourced and dated. Market trends, 7 industry trends: biotech ingredients, clean beauty, personalization, luxury skincare growth, traceability, each tagged by category and relevance, opportunities with expiration dates and concrete actions, threats your competitors are creating, and strategic recommendations tied directly to your brand's positioning. Every recommendation comes with specific next steps, not generic advice. One last thing, email reports. Here's what arrives: brand health score, key insights ranked by priority, and a competitor watch table. All 5 competitors with threat levels. One click to view the full report. That's BrandRadar, your brand's market intelligence, refreshed daily, delivered weekly. No input needed. Just check in when you want to, or let the email bring the insights to you.